Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Nartech. Today, we're diving into the world of agriculture machines. Get ready to witness some mind-blowing innovation that will leave you craving more. Intrigued? Let's dig in. This is the first machine today, a colossal wheat harvester reaping the fields. It's a symbol of efficiency and productivity in farming. How impressive! This machine looks like a hungry monster. Have you ever seen a futuristic strawberry farm like this before? This grass-cutting machine operates with incredible speed and precision, gliding gracefully across the field. This ditch side grass sweeper works swiftly and effortlessly, ensuring a tidy and neat appearance. This John Deere plough, covering a vast 9-meter span in a single pass, effortlessly transforms fields. Watch in awe as our incredible robotic arm delicately arranges the juiciest apples into the perfect design trays. This blackcurrant harvester, gently shaking the bushes, collects the fruit like nature's own hand. Everyone harvesting pomegranates in the field is like a vibrant gathering of nature's jewels. This ploughing machine, equipped with 8 blades, tackles the field with precision and efficiency. In today's high-tech world, machines are seamlessly integrated into every step of the agricultural production process. This machine sows seeds into furrows and covers them with soil simultaneously, streamlining the planting process. This tulip watering machine showers these blooms with care, as if it knows they're nature's gems. This instant noodle packaging assembly line is like a culinary conveyor belt, delivering deliciousness to your table. Now, it's crystal clear how the magic happens in the creation of exquisite wine bottles. Behold, this wheat harvester looks like a precision artist meticulously arranging golden bundles in flawless, orderly rows. This grain harvester is like a reaper of prosperity, gathering nature's bounty for the world to enjoy. This black grape harvest is like a grapevine symphony, bringing forth the essence of the vineyards. This plough not only tills the land, but also creates neat furrows, preparing it for planting. Each leaf is delicately collected by this efficient lettuce harvester, guaranteeing a salad as fresh and crisp as nature intended. Let's see how this machine harvests a mountain of sugar beets. This cucumber pickling packaging line is like a preservation ballet, preparing crisp cucumbers for the perfect pickle. Can you guess what the farmers are doing? Let's share your ideas in the comments below. This grass compactor machine transforms grass into neat rectangular bales, like building blocks for livestock. This machine cutting and shredding a large tree is like a lumberjack's ultimate tool for efficiency. This pumpkin harvester is like a giant pumpkin whisperer, gathering these autumn treasures with care. This seed drill not only sows seeds, but also creates perfect furrows, setting the stage for growth. This grass picking machine efficiently collects clippings, making lawn maintenance look effortless. Operating with surgical precision, this tree root tiller readies the soil for replanting or effortless removal. This onion peeler is like a magician, effortlessly removing onion skins to reveal their culinary magic. Do you know the name of this machine? This pineapple washing conveyor is like a refreshing shower for tropical fruit, preparing them for a delightful feast. Look, this vegetable root digger is like a gardener's helper, carefully unearthing the hidden treasures beneath the soil. This ditch cleaning machine efficiently removes sediment, ensuring proper water flow in irrigation systems. This manure spreader efficiently fertilizes fields, providing essential nutrients for healthy crops. Much like a skilled sculptor, this plough artfully shapes the earth, creating a canvas for planting and nurturing life. Join us as we witness the marvel of modern agriculture at work during the corn harvest. Potato harvesting machine in action, a remarkable blend of technology and farming efficiency. Grass cutting machine neatly lines up to the harvest, precision farming at its best. Explore the future of fresh, sustainable salad greens with our cutting-edge lettuce cultivation greenhouse. let's look at the way this machine works in the field. Land ploughing machine at work, laying the foundation for successful crops with power and precision. Harvesting leafy greens, a satisfying bounty from the garden for farm-to-table freshness. Wheat harvest in full swing, reaping the golden grains of nature's bounty with modern machinery. Double trouble for pests, dual pesticide sprayers defending the crop against invaders. Wow, how easily this machine does it! Do you know what this huge machine is fixing? Leave your ideas below. Farmers now use a lot of machines to help them reduce the cost and time of farming tasks. Learn how this innovative tool simplifies the pruning process for grapevines, increasing efficiency on the vineyard. Explore the incredible technology of rice harvesting machines and how they streamline the rice harvesting process for farmers. Discover the efficiency and convenience of corn harvesting machines as they revolutionize the way farmers collect crops. Do you like strawberries? This farm is truly my dream garden. I was surprised when the first time I saw this machine. Watch how feed mixing and spreading machines revolutionize livestock farming practices. Sweet potato harvest in action. It's a satisfying bounty from the earth. This modern machinery actually simplifies the celery harvesting process. Wow, it's fascinating to see how this machine works so much faster and more efficient. This machine can cut the large grass field in just 1 hour. Poultry feed mixer in action, crafting nutritious meals for our feathered friends. The precision and speed are astonishing, making egg sorting more efficient than ever. Look at how this farmer is sorting the seeds. It's so fast and effortless. Now I know how farmers harvest such a large quantity of ginger like this. This vegetable irrigation machine helps farmers achieve healthier crops and maximize yield. Nothing can challenge this machine. It's a powerful beast in the hands of the farmer. Look, this is the most common way to harvest pears. Impressive! It looks like magic. Thanks to this machine, the flowers remain intact and the freshest they can be to reach their customers' hands. Snowstorms will no longer be an obstacle when we have this machine. This grass pickup vehicle is a real time saver for lawn care. And that's it for today's exploration of agriculture machines. If you're as amazed by these modern marvels as we are, drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for your regular dose of farm tech excitement. See you next time.